Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to how to clear browsing data on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your internet browser, which you normally use. Then tap on this icon here in the corner, go to the history and select clear browsing data. You can make a basic clear of browsing data, or you can just go to the advanced and clear it absolutely. So here you have to select time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Then select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, saved passwords, autofill form data, site settings, and then tap clear data, clear, and as you can see, history is clear now. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.